good, YouTube? Welcome back. Dub Digital. Crypto news, macro trends. Give me a like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy my content. I'm doing daily technical analysis on all your favorite altcoins that your favorite YouTubers don't usually talk about. Hit that bell notification so you get all my videos. See y'all later. What's up, everybody? Glad you made it on over. We got XRP BTC pair. I don't do too many XRP videos because XRP is right now more boring than most of the other coins, and I don't say that out of like any ill will towards XRP. All I'm saying is we're having like a bleed in the crypto market right now, guys. Everything's bleeding off. All the big coins, DeFi coins, all this stuff's bleeding. I wanted to show you XRP, okay, guys? So right now we're on the weekly, but I'm going to zoom into where we are currently, right? Before I go into a lower time frame, I just want to identify to you the macro tendencies of this asset. It's one of the most explosive digital assets in the space right now. So you notice that the whole price moving chart is characterized by huge pumps, very fast, steep drops down, pump, grind down, pump, grind down, pump, grind down. As the pumps get smaller, the more grinding action occurs. But remember, this was a bear market. Now we're moving into a bull market. The first pumps, I believe, the longest time in between before, the next succeeding pump. But as the pumps get higher, the time in between them should reduce. Okay, guys, so we're on the daily time frame here, looking at the price of XRP in BTC. So let's check this out. This is pretty much from the start of 2020 to currently beginning of September. So you'll see here that XRP has dropped substantially since then. In May, it dropped from like highest point to lowest point 30%. But check it out, 60-ish days to complete that drop. However, it took 32 days to make it back up. Shot up approximately 42% or so. Okay, guys, so drop 30, went up 40 in half the time. Remember that. And why do I say remember that? Because the side of parabolas, they're exponential pattern. A parabola just gets steeper and steeper and steeper and steeper until the trend dies off. So this is important for XRP because we noticed that there was a huge correction, and then half within that time the correction occurred, the rebound occurred. Okay, so now we dropped 15% and already rebounding. Initially we dropped 30, now we're dropping 15, and it took approximately 24 days. So let's see how long this one takes. This rebound has occurred for 6 days or so. Okay, and it looks like we're fighting within this pattern, but let me show you something, guys. So notice the splits in between the correction and the rebounds. Very important. If they're reducing, that could be a signal that a parabola may be coming for XRP. Time will tell, but that's an idea for you guys to chew on. And check this out. Pretty much since the beginning of August, XRP, including the correction up from its initial sell-off, has been in a coiling triangle pattern. It's been maintaining more or less the trend lines I drew, and you can see it's wicking at the top here. If XRP's price respected the trend lines as we see it doing right now, this pattern should resolve in about 10 days. And if you guys are into XRP, you know that XRP is pretty on the floor even now. Even though we got a pump, one pump, it's still very low. Triangles are patterns of accumulation and consolidation, okay? That means after the end of a triangle, when it resolves, there should be a big expanse one way or the other. Knowing where XRP is in the cycle, what do you think that direction is gonna be? Down? You think we're gonna have a measured move down, guys? In triangle pattern theory, measured moves are basically the height of the pattern. So you do this, and it gives you an understanding of where this thing might go. If we did a measured move to the bottom, guys, what? We'd be down pretty much here where we were December 2017, right before the last bull run. Now, guys, is that likely? No, it's not likely because this thing's already oversold. We have lots of bullish volume leaking into this asset. You can see by the pumps, we have more buying than typical in this area, okay? Even though we have some selling. That's just what I like to call purging. It's purging. They're throwing up all the non-believers, all the people who don't believe in the asset. This is like the last shakeout. So there's like no resistance up because we all know how XRP moves very substantially. Let's just be optimists here and assume that it goes in the opposite direction. That's approximately 33% move. It would get us back to this point or right above this point, and hopefully we perform a support resistance flip. So 10 days, I'm thinking we'll have a break up. And why do I think we'll have a break up, guys? Why am I not bearish on XRP? I'm not bearish on XRP because right now we're having a huge sell-off. Ampleforth is like down 30%. There's a bunch of coins down 30%. But XRP is up approximately 1%. And that's, guys, a concept I like to call relative strength. You have a bunch of assets that are denominated against a single currency, in this case Bitcoin. I measure all my altcoins in Bitcoin. If you see a bunch of them going down against a coin, but one not budging at all, in fact going up versus the coin, in comparison, that's bullish for the coin that went up. Why? It is a direct test and a direct experiment against the relative strength of XRP against other altcoins that aren't faring as well. And why don't coins fare as well? Because maybe they were overbought. Maybe there was too much FOMO in that market. But for XRP, that is what I believe is the reverse. Because look at this thing. We're still down. Even we had one pump that which we deserved in the year, we were still down like 88%. And this is the value of value investing, guys. At some point, I will tell you to run away from XRP, but it's not this point. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Y'all are adults. Just want to get a quick one in here for you guys. We got a lot of upside for XRP, but first you got to do this resistance support flip that's around this level here. I'm Dub Digital. Crypto news, macro trends. Talk to you later. Peace.